I was just letting you know I got a Blazing Blizzard Monday, and here he is. I think I'm gonna name him Dusty, cause he's like all white and he's kind of dusty looking. I don't know, but
I know. We all need to get into the holiday spirit, buy gifts for our loved ones.
Let me know what you think about him. If you give me some new suggestion names, I'll probably change them. And I'll give you a shout out or whatever. Yeah, here he is.
In this tower defense action RPG, your dungeon is being overrun by...
Can't say he doesn't look fucking awesome.
By building towers and smiting them. Choose between one of 4 classes, ranging from the spell-slinging apprentice to the blade-swinging squire. You'll have to set traps and build structures to stop waves of orcs and goblins from destroying your power core.
Alright guys, see you next time.